Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a passport size photo in Canva. It's super handy if you need a quick passport photo and don't want to fuss with Photoshop or, make a trip outside. So let's dive in. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, click Create a Design in the top right corner, then select Custom Size from the drop-down menu. In the Custom Size settings, type in 51 millimeters for both width and height. That's the standard passport photo size. Then, click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Next, upload the photo you want to use. Click Uploads on the left menu, then either click the Upload button or drag your image directly into Canva. Drag your photo onto the canvas and position it so your face is centered. Resize using the corners if needed, making sure the head and shoulders aren't cut off and the quality stays sharp. Double check your photo meets passport standards, size, clarity, and background. When you're happy, click Download in the top right, choose JPEG or PNG, and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just created a passport size photo in Canva. Quick, easy, and ready to use. Give it a try and you'll be able to make passport photos at home anytime.